Hello, my name is Dr. Paul Jhele from the United States. And every time I have come to the nation of Brazil, I've fallen in love once again with God's destiny for your nation. For I believe that God has great things ahead in store, in spite of the time in which we live, when it appears the entire world is going through a shaking. But what other time should we press in to train our young people in the next generation to discern and understand truth? So many things are being shared as if they are true. And yet, in Christian education, and especially in the schools of Acesse, I pray that we will have a determination to continue to train children to discern truth. That's what I'll be sharing with you October 31 on Saturday. Tune in, attend. It's going to be tremendous. God bless you.